Hi, this is Josh with a review of mock test number 1, SHSAT, as voted by students as the most challenging problems. For question number 69, we have if function at gamma equals 2 times the function at delta, and gamma equals 2 delta, what is a possible function for f? Well, since we use the English alphabet, I'm taking the Greek letters and rewriting them as y equals 2d. Then for the function at y, it equals twice the function at d. 2d equals y, so we can write the function at 2d equals 2 times the function at d. Then we're just plugging in a value d, which we can call any amount. It could even be amount x. On the right side are the 4 rules: x squared, 2x squared, and the square root of x. Since that's f of d, we're just multiplying it by 2 for each of the 4 choices. And here they are in place with a 2 standing on the left. We have to compare that if we plug in 2x into the formula. So now that yellow box should be 2x. And for rule F, we're going to do 2x times 2x, which becomes 4x squared. For rule G, we have to do x squared first, which is the 4x squared, and then times it by another 2. And for the last rule, underneath the radical, we're plugging in 2x, so that would be here for h. So we're doubling the plug-in, which gives us the values on the left side of the equals. The only rule where the plug-in equals the double the rule on the right is choice E. E is correct. If the function rule is f of x equals x, then if you plug in a number and then double it, that's the same as plugging in double the number. The correct answer was E. Question number 74. What is the remainder of 7,700,202 when divided by 9? Well, from lesson 1, we had the divisibility rules. If you add the digits of a number and they're on the 3 times table, it's a multiple of 3. You add the digits of any whole number, and then the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9. Then it's divisible by 9. So adding these digits, we have 7 plus a whole bunch of zeros, plus 2 is 18 total. 18 is a multiple of 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2, remainder 0. So the remainder will be 0. The correct answer was A. Question 75 is a drawing here, and it's got 2 half circles up on top above a square and 2 half circles below with the square sandwiched in the middle. In the figure above, AB equals BC equals DE equals EF, and the side of the square is 12 units. Points B and E are the midpoints of the square. Find the area of the shaded region. Well, since the square side AC on the top is 12, and we know B is the midpoint because AB equals BC, that means that each of those is length 6. So 6 is the radius of half circle A and C. Also, since it's a square, DE equals EF, so the radius of semicircle D is 6, and the radius of semicircle F is 6. There are 4 semicircles drawn that are shaded. If we click them together, put A and D together, we get a full circle. Also, if we take a semicircle C and F and move them together, we get a full circle. Well, now we have 2 full circles, and we know the area of a full circle is pi times the radius squared. The radius is 6, so we have pi times 6 squared, or 36 pi. So the area of the shaded regions, all 4 regions, would be 36 pi plus 36 pi, which is 72 pi. And the correct answer was H. Question 83 says, 0.7 repeating plus 2/9 equals 0.6 repeating plus what value? Well, here you had to know number patterns that for ninths. 1/9 is 0.11111, 2/9 is 0.222 forever and ever, 3/9 is 0.3, 4/9 is 0.4, and so on. Here we have 0.7, which is 7/9 plus 2/9 on the left. So that's 9/9. And that equals 0.6 repeating, or 6/9 plus some value. Well, that value must be 3/9, so that we have 9/9 on the left side and 9/9 on the right side. Well, 3/9 reduce is 1/3. So the correct answer was F, 1/3. Question 92. If theta of rule A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I equals A times B minus C times D plus E F squared times GH squared divided by I, which cannot be a value of theta? Well, here the rule they were testing was for fractions and that you cannot divide by 0. Notice that for this composition of variables, the numerator is a product and some squares, but the denominator is just input I. So whatever number we plug into this giant formula, the input for the last number, which is I, cannot be 0. Looking at the answer choices, choice B says theta of 1, 0 is not allowed because we cannot divide by 0 in a fraction. The correct answer was B. I hope this video was useful to you in your preparation for your upcoming SHSAT. Thank you for watching my video.